Hello viewers, welcome to Quick Mathematics. We have a problem on matrix. This problem is made up of two things, powers and polynomial matrix. So we have matrix P equal to the entries in the matrix. The first row is 2 and 5, second row 4 and 6. We are asked to find f of p if f of y is equal to y cubed plus 2y squared minus 3y plus 7. So let us take the quick solution to this problem. So we take the quick solution. This is the given polynomial. We are asked to find f of p. What we do is that we replace y with p in the given polynomial. So the first term is p cubed followed by plus 2p squared followed by minus 3p. Now this term here is 7i. What happened is that as you are replacing y with p, 7 is a constant without y, so it attracts identity matrix. So this is 7i, not 71. So 7 times identity matrix. Since P is a 2 by 2 matrix, you are going to write 2 by 2 identity matrix. From the problem, this is matrix P, so we need 3P, and 3P is obtained by multiplying matrix P by 3. That is scalar multiplication, where you multiply each entry of matrix P by 3. So you multiply 2 by 3, you have 6. Multiply 5 by 3, you have 15. Multiply 4 by 3, you have 12. Multiply 6 by 3, you have 18. The next matrix we need is 2p squared, but we have to get p squared first. P squared means p times p, so we multiply matrix P by itself. And when you are doing that, you take the entries in the first row to multiply the first column. The entries in the first row to multiply the first column, and you add. That is 2 times 2 plus 5 times 4. That gives 24. The same first row times second column. 2 times 5 plus 5 times 6. That gives 40. You take the second row now times the first column. That is 4 times 2 plus 6 times 4. That gives 32. And the same second row times second column. 4 times 5 plus 6 times 6. That is 56. 56. Then we look for 2p squared. Multiply matrix P squared by 2. That is also scalar multiplication. You multiply each entry of P squared by 2. So you multiply 24 by 2. You have 48. Multiply 40 by 2. You have 80. Multiply 32 by 2. You have 64. Multiply 56 by 2. You have 112. The next matrix we need is p cubed. Since we know p squared, we can express p cubed as p squared times p from law of indices. So this is matrix p squared, this is matrix p. We multiply as usual, where you take the first row of matrix p squared times the first column of matrix p, then you add them 24 times 2 plus 40 times 4, that is 208. When you add the same first row times second column, 24 times 5 plus 40 times 6, that is 360. You go to the second row and use it to multiply first column first. So you have 32 times 2 plus 56 times 4, that gives 288. The same second row times second column, 32 times 5 plus 56 times 6, that gives 496. We are done with that. So we take 7i, that is 7 times 2 by 2 identity matrix. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 0, 0. You go to the second row. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 1 is 7. Is 7. We cannot look for f of p because we know all the components. So this is p cubed, this is 2p squared, this matrix is 3p, and this is 7i. You take entry by entry when you are adding. So you have 208 plus 48 minus 6 plus 7, that is 257, followed by 360 plus 80 minus 15 plus 0, you have 425. You go to the second row, first entry, 288 plus 64 minus 12 plus 0, you have 340. Second entry in the second row, 496 plus 112 minus 18 plus 7, you have 597. So this is the quick solution to that matrix problem. For updates, follow Voice of Peter course via YouTube at Peter course Simplified Maths. To do that, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it to your friends, your colleagues, your classmates, your students. You can also follow Voice of Peter course via Facebook, Instagram at Peter course Simplified Maths. For questions and inquiries, use the comment section. We attend to them. Goodbye.